where do you go and where do you look for other resources to continue learning, improving, and honing your skill? Where do you go for new ideas?
Well, an inherent part of reliability is a lot of mindless data entry and just kind of, getting your stuff into a usable format. So I tend to listen to podcasts as I'm going through that. I don't always listen to the reliability podcast. I have some junk podcasts in and around there to help me get through it all. I like a lot of history stuff, so I'll listen to a few history podcasts. I've listened to there's a couple comedy ones. I can't remember the guy's name at the moment, but Joe Rogan. Sorry, I've listened to his a few times. But then there's other maintenance reliability podcasts. I've listened to a few of yours and Rob's we talked about earlier, and there's a few others out there that I'll turn on. But for a more structured approach, I actually go to edx.org. I do a lot through there. They've got a lot of great courses, and they're either free, and if you really like certifications and getting credit for things you do, you can pay a fairly small amount. So I've been going through them. I'm actually doing my Six Sigma through them. I really, really like that, their platform.
What do you think of Six Sigma? It sounds like you found a lot of value from it. You're going through the course right now. Is that something you think everyone should do? Being in this space?
It's funny because Six Sigma is kind of it's an old concept. With all the exciting things that are out there, the machine learning and a lot of these other advanced analytics, we forgot about the basics. Mm-hmm. And Six Sigma goes into kind of the basics and understanding what does quality mean. I've pushed back on some of our vendors that, they're manufacturing a product for us, yet they're not following basic Six Sigma rules. So how do they have all this cool advanced analytics that they're doing, but they're not understanding simple quality type concepts. So, I think it's hugely important, and it's applicable even if you're not in a manufacturing industry. It's hugely applicable.